Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be cooking a meatball sandwich. I made it not so long ago, but this time I decided to record. I think I recorded it last time, I'm not sure. But we're gonna record it again. I took my lashes off this morning, so my eye is just like sticking. Anyways, we're about to go to the kitchen and start cooking. We're gonna be making these. I put the sauce first in the pan and let it warm up. Then I put garlic, all that good stuff. Use this sauce. I already had some. Mozzarella cheese and garlic. Tomato sauce and tomato paste. I think I'm gonna use both. I don't think I'm gonna use tomato paste. This should be good enough. I use some of this too. I don't have garlic or onion powder, so I'm just using this. Mhm. Yeah. Slap.